Let's make things a bit cleaner. We can reuse things we already created. This saves a lot of time and performance too. Let's save the box node as a separate scene. To do that, right click on it, then click Save Branch as a scene from the drop down. Next, you will see this window. You can rename it, but let's keep the suggested name and hit save. Now it collapses into a single node. We can easily duplicate it. Right click and choose duplicate, or just select it and press Ctrl D. This creates two boxes stacked on top of each other. So let's move one by dragging the arrow. There's another way to reuse it too. Since we made it a scene, you can see it in FileSystem panel. Just drag and drop it from there into the viewport. Now I will change their positions and rotations. Next, move the camera while checking the preview in the inspector. Now take a look at your scene panel. It looks a bit messy, right? Let's fix that. Add a new node and rename it to boxes. Next, we will make the box node children of the boxes node. To do that, hold Ctrl and click on both the box nodes. Then drag and drop them onto the boxes node. Now it will look like this. As we discussed earlier, boxes is now the parent of the box nodes. You may have noticed this before. You can expand or collapse nodes using this little arrow. Seems like a simple trick, right? Yes, but when your project grows large with many nodes, this helps you to stay organized and focused. Also, by grouping things like this, you can easily move, rotate or scale all three boxes at once by using the parent node. And by toggling the eye icon, you can show or hide nodes. Take a look at your file system now. It can be organized too. Right click on the resources folder, then select create new folder. Name it scenes. Then create two more folders named assets and scripts. Next, select both demo.tscn and the box.tscn and drag them into the scenes folder. Finally, move the GD files into the script folder. That's it for the basics. You are now ready to start building the walking simulator. We will use this same project for it, and congratulations on finishing the basics.